Today, we'll tell you about a motorhome that'll have you redefining your idea of luxury and travel. Imagine a world where comfort knows no bounds, where style and opulence intertwine seamlessly, and where every moment on the road feels like a grand adventure. From its humble origins to the jaw-dropping features that have everyone talking. With over 4 decades of experience, Tiffin has etched its name as a big player in the world of recreational vehicles. Tiffin's prominence in the industry isn't just about their impressive vehicles, but also their unwavering dedication to customer satisfaction. Their commitment to post-purchase support and a tight-knit community of Tiffin owners sets them apart. When you invest in a Tiffin, you're not just getting a motorhome, you're joining a family. And with their new Zephyr, they are set to expand this already big family of theirs. In 1941, a modest supply company embarked on its journey in Alabama, quietly catering to households' essential needs, not unlike our modern-day Home Depot. The unassuming origins of Tiffin were rooted in this unpretentious beginning. Over the years, the company's path evolved, and by 1972, a monumental decision was made that would reshape its destiny as they forayed into the realm of motorhomes. This pivotal leap into motorhome manufacturing marked a turning point for Tiffin. The company found itself on an upward trajectory, reaching new heights that once seemed distant. As the years progressed, Tiffin's motorhomes garnered attention, becoming synonymous with quality and innovation in the industry. Then, in 2020, Tiffin's narrative took another significant turn as it joined forces with the Thor Industries Group. This partnership was more than just a collaboration. It was a seal of assurance for a future teeming with potential and groundbreaking ideas. The union between Tiffin and Thor Industries was not just a merger of entities, but a convergence of visions. From its modest origins as a supply company to its bold expansion into the motorhome domain, Tiffin's journey exemplifies the power of embracing change. The alliance with Thor Industries in 2020 became the cornerstone for a path forward marked by promise and ingenuity. They have now launched a new vehicle that is set to break records. Crafted meticulously by the skilled hands at Tiffin Motorhomes, the Zephyr is more than a vehicle. It's a symphony of design, comfort, and innovation. Now let's talk numbers, the financial aspect of owning a piece of this luxury haven. Venturing into Zephyr territory requires a substantial investment. Entry level starts around $750,000, which is roughly £667,000 for a modestly equipped version. But if you're aiming for the stars, expect to dish out $850,000, about £756,000 and beyond for the creme de la creme. What will you get for this massive price tag? Beneath its grandeur lies the Powerglide chassis, a creation that marries comfort and towing might. Imagine towing up to 20,000 pounds with ease. The Zephyr's heartbeat is the Cummins X15 605 horsepower engine, pumping out a staggering 1,950 foot-pounds of torque. This setup allows for a total weight hauling capacity of 74,000 pounds. Now that's some serious muscle. The Zephyr isn't simply banking on its sleek chassis to impress. It's jam-packed with a range of technological marvels. When it comes to keeping you safe on the road, the Zephyr doesn't hold back. The electronic stability control, ESC, and the automatic traction control, ATC, are like your trusty companions, ensuring you stay on the right path even in tricky situations. And let's talk about those unexpected moments. The collision mitigation systems have your back, ready to step in and minimize potential impacts. But it's not all about safety. It's also about how this vehicle takes your driving experience up a notch. With an independent front suspension, every bump on the road feels a lot less intrusive. And that 2-stage compression engine brake? It's not just about slowing down, it's about doing so smoothly, enhancing your overall comfort. When it comes to the world of upscale motorhomes, Tiffin stands shoulder to shoulder with other giants like Winnebago and Newmar. All three are synonymous with quality and luxury, each with its unique strengths. Tiffin is renowned for its opulent Zephyr model, Winnebago for its innovative designs, and Newmar for its customizability. Famous personalities like country music legend Alan Jackson and NASCAR champion Kyle Busch have been drawn to Tiffin's allure, further cementing its reputation. While Winnebago counts celebrity chef Guy Fieri among its fans, Newmar has caught the attention of retired NFL quarterback Brett Favre. Step into the Zephyr's realm and you'll be greeted by a one-piece molded fiberglass roof and front cap that stand as sentinels against the elements. Balancing form and function, the Zephyr's construction boasts thermal and moisture barriers within an aluminum framework. Wood elements in the flooring add a touch of classic craftsmanship to this modern marvel. Expand the Zephyr's slide-outs and you'll be transported into an interior expanse that feels almost magical. The generous space invites activities like frisbee or a game of cornhole right within its walls, adding a fun twist to your travel experience. As you venture deeper into the Zephyr, its interior unfolds with a thoughtful arrangement of amenities. The rear quarters are dedicated to your comfort, featuring a washer and dryer, separate toilet and shower areas, and his and hers vanities. It's a haven of relaxation and functionality. The bedroom is a regal escape with a king-sized bed, nightstands, and ample space to move around. Across from this oasis, a fireplace and a lifting TV set the stage for entertainment, nestled on a slide-out opposite the bedroom. A second bathroom, exclusively for guests, maintains the serenity of the living quarters. Dive deeper into the culinary paradise tucked within the Zephyr's ultimate slide-outs. The roomy kitchen becomes the heart of the scene, and a comfy air-coil modular sofa bed invites you to unwind. On the other side, an additional slide-out reveals a full-size fridge, a dedicated coffee corner, a practical desk area, and a smartly hidden pop-up TV ingeniously integrated into the sofa bed frame. With a range of personalization choices, you have the power to truly craft this area according to your preferences. If you are liking the video so far, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Tiffin knows the value of storage, and the Zephyr boasts an abundance of compartments for all your essentials. Exterior hatch lids add even more space for your gear. The basement storage alone offers a staggering 165 cubic feet, about 4.67 cubic meters, catering to every conceivable need. Life on the road demands self-sufficiency, and the Zephyr is equipped to deliver. A comprehensive suite of amenities includes a water filter system, solar readiness, an inverter, an Onan generator, 6 batteries, and an impressive 90 gallons, around 409 liters, of freshwater storage. These systems ensure you're well equipped for a seamless journey. What we've uncovered here merely scratches the surface of the marvel that is the Tiffin Zephyr. In a world where comfort, luxury, and adventure intertwine, the Tiffin Zephyr emerges as a beacon of opulence and innovation. From its humble beginnings to its current reign as a symbol of extravagance, Tiffin Motorhomes has rewritten the rules of mobile living with the Zephyr. Its features, from the powerhouse engine to the thoughtfully designed interiors, redefine what it means to travel in style. So whether you're dreaming of embarking on a cross-country journey or seeking a retreat on wheels, the Zephyr stands ready to redefine your concept of travel. When are you rushing to buy this beast? Let us know in the comments section below, and make sure to like the video. Thanks for watching.